the convention been for you?
Oh, I think it's been great. I think we're talking about coming back to our values and standing up for everybody, and I think it's been hugely resonating, and it's really energizing. What do you think?
All of that stuff.
Yeah.
It's been great, and I loved your speech.
Thank
to
you.
the convention
Thank you.
Yesterday.
Thank you.
What was the one takeaway you want us to share with the folks we go back home to?
The question for this race will be who you want to hire as a lawyer for Texas. And I am comfortable and I'm really confident that when people see me and standing up for our values, justice, fairness, integrity, that was what our speech was about. Me against him. It's indictment versus integrity, right? And yes, of course, talk to your Democratic friends, but talk to your independent and Republican friends about the choice that we face. No one wants a corrupt, extreme, and indicted attorney general, right? And when people give me a fair look, we are going to win this race, and we're going to transform Texas when we do.
So I am so impressed by your credentials. Can you just quickly tell us the stuff that was in your video?
Oh, yeah, sure.
That was so great.
Yeah, thanks. Well, I'm from Houston. I went to Houston Public Schools, and I went to Yale for undergraduate, and I graduated from Columbia Law School, and I clerked for Justice Sandra Day O'Connor on the Supreme Court, and I teach at UT Law School. I'm a private lawyer as well, and I founded a nonprofit, One Nation, One Vote, to deal with democracy reform and election reform. So I know that when people give me a look, if you're hiring about who you want to hire as a lawyer for Texas, we are going to win. So that's what we have to talk to people about, and it will transform Texas when I'm Attorney General.
So voter registration, voter suppression.
Yeah.
Is that what makes this election so important?
Well,
for your race?
yes, and gerrymandering. Remember, what's coming up, the Attorney General elected in this cycle will deal with redistricting and gerrymandering. My nonprofit helped found and litigate these issues. It was dealt to deal with gerrymandering and democracy reform. I will fight gerrymandering. Gerrymandering corrupts democracy. It is wrong. It is unconstitutional to discriminate by party. And if we have fair districts that don't discriminate, that aren't Democratic, but aren't Republican either, it will make all these districts competitive. We'd have so many more competitive districts. And what that would mean is that people couldn't govern from the far right wing. And it will be totally transformative of Texas. Or the far left. People will govern to make sure that they are appealing to all Texans. And that's really all that we want. We want our democracy to work, and that is why I'm in this race.